What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to get this special Duolingo fiery icon. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. So here is how you get that icon. Go ahead and open up your Duolingo app. From here, go ahead and click on your streak. Now just scroll down a bit until you can see this tab here. So if you have a Duolingo streak that is longer than 30 days, you will be able to enable this new fiery icon to represent your streak. So what you need to do from here is just click turn on and then restart the app. So in just a few moments, this icon will turn into a new fiery icon. And that's how you get this fiery Duolingo icon. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.